guys, welcome back to Budget Love. So today's topic is gonna be emergency fund. I think it's an important concept that we need to learn, especially nowadays and after everything that has happened. So I think it's really important to learn what it is and start building one. All right, let's get started. So an emergency fund, it's basically when you put money aside to cover unexpected expenses, such as medical expenses. Okay, we don't know when we're gonna get sick, so we don't know when we're gonna have to go to the ER. Okay, even when we do have insurance, certain insurances, medical insurances, what they do is to cover, they'll like adjust like an amount. They'll take like, I don't know, $100 or $200 off the bill, and then the rest is just responsibility, because most medical insurances, they have deductible. So the deductible is what you have to pay upfront before they actually start paying any bills for you. So yeah, so you know, if you don't have any money set aside, how are you gonna deal with that? Okay, what if your car or your home has needs some repair? Like, how are you gonna take care of that? And what if you lose your job? You know, what if you lose your job tomorrow? You know, losing your job doesn't stop the bills. You still have to pay the bills. So you have to be prepared. You have to be prepared for these situations. So why do I need an emergency fund, or what are the benefits of it? The first one is debt-free or minimal debt. Like, if you're trying to live a debt-free lifestyle or have minimal debt as possible, an emergency fund is definitely gonna help you with that. Let's say you have an emergency. I don't know, let's say you have, because emergencies are things that you have to, they're called emergencies because you have to take care of them right away. So let's say you have an emergency. Okay, you don't have any emergency fund. What are your options? All right, first one, I'm going to use my credit card. All right, I mean, that's cool. You can do that. But then when you do that, you know, you use your credit card and then you don't pay it within a month, what now? They're gonna start adding interest. So now you're gonna pay more. You're gonna pay more for what you lend from them, I guess, because it's really a loan. All right. Okay. So then the next thing is, okay, what if I apply for a loan, personal loan? Well, a personal loan, that's cool too, but you don't know if you're gonna get, if they're gonna give you the loan or not. So that's out of the question right there. Third option is loaning from a friend or a family member. All right, yeah, you can do that, but you still have to pay them back. You know, and imagine you didn't have the money to take care of your emergency yourself. Now you have the obligation to pay them back. You cannot take their money. Not nice. But yeah, so you know, so that's why it's important to have one. So the second benefit of having one is peace of mind. What if you lose your job tomorrow? What then? You know, what are you gonna do? You still have to pay the bills. They're still gonna keep coming. Worst case scenario is you lose your job. You know, your credit score is gonna go down because you will not be able to pay your credit cards. All right, you may lose your home, and also you definitely will be stressed, and you might even be depressed. I mean, who wants that? I mean, I know I don't, you know? So that's why it's important to start thinking. If you don't have one, that's fine, but you need to start thinking about building one. If you do, that's really great. You know, you need to start thinking about building one. So, yeah. All right, so my next question is, okay, well, how much should I have in my emergency fund? Well, it depends. It is not a set amount, because, you know, every family or every person's like total expenses is different. So there's no set amount, but I would advise to have at least like 3 months, from 3 months to like 6 months worth of expenses, you know, save up somewhere. So what I mean is, if your total expenses is $1,000 a month, so then for 3 months you'll need $3,000. For 6 you'll need $6,000. Yeah, you just have it there, just, you know, just in case of any emergencies. And it's not something that you just you just put away all at once. It's something that you build. I mean, if you have the money to do that, that's great, but not everybody can. So a lot of people, they build up to the amount that they need or they want to put aside. So on my next video, guys, I will be teaching you guys how to build one. First, I have a great tool to share with you to calculate the amount that you're going to need and how to save up to it. Alright, this is pretty much all I have for you guys in this topic. I just wanted to do like an introduction to what it is and the benefits of having one. So that's all I have. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share this video, comment any questions you have or anything else, anything you want to say to me, that's fine. And don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Alright, bye.